Kibor pulit ke Jela Meghalaya kileo ban kem arpunyo ne arpu prangot ki brio ki basubadan keti ban pensyet iki kam huri hura RILUM Garo. Kat kum gijing pensyayu sembut menteri rang ba ke Jela ba preston tensong leto bahado mentala dat ban kem arpunyo hado arpu prangot ki brio ki basubadan keti haki kam bean. Nalor kani ki pulit ki lakemru yo Sofiur Rehman ubeu MDC Barim na kabala chanda constituency. Ki pulit ki lakem yu ha kapor shibeje men step ha ka kandro tarek ulber arajar arpun rio. Na ki yeng ju kebedan new bhat bari bo gijing kemi jongka thanat Rajabala ha West Garo Hills. Superintendent ki pulit ke West Garo Hills Abraham T Sangma uleto balakem yo Sofiur Rehman halo kijing suba udon keti ban penmi iki kam huri hura ha kathan. Uba preston tensong uleto ba kijing kem kamot ang RILUM Garo da kijing toket kalaban kata awad RILUM khasi jantia ladalap baki don keti. Halor kijing penjari ke curfew bat kijing khang ya ke internet. Uba preston tensong uloong ba ke sarkar kadang bishar benya ya kijing long jingman. Uloong balada ke sok san kawan biang ke sarkar kala ban shimikarai ban sangi ano kijing penjari curfew bat ban play biang ya ke internet hakini kithan.
Well, I think quite a number of arrests. We do have not less than 27, 28 arrests has been made. So now again, if you further ask me about this question, I think let the police go ahead with the investigation, the detailed investigation. I cannot say right now anything. Or maybe some more to be arrested. That also we leave it to the wisdom of the police officials posted over there to see that such incidents that has happened should not again reoccur in future.
Sir, only the arrest is being made only in West Garo district or also in other districts as well?
See, not necessarily only in West Garo. It should be in the entire region, or not only entire region. Maybe from here also. But let the investigation takes place. The moment the investigation takes place, I think you understand. We will go up to the end point of the issue. Since the FIR has been filed, and we are looking and explaining all these issues seriously.